You gonna rebound, man? What's up? Alley-oop. Alley-oop. What you like most about Saigon Heat?
I like you, Trevon. I like you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Get your assist on, Chris. You want this? You sure you want this? All right, now. Got it.
You.
Why not?
Because
You're a better shooter than me. You in this, yo, on camera and mic, I will bump you up, all right? Here we go. Go ahead, you go, ladies first. Huh? I was gonna smack that bun. All right, you warmed up. He's warmed up. Good job, Chris. Yo, way to stall, bro. My God. Come back, Henry. They want to see it again. They want to see it again. Hold on, your shoes untied. Why you got him again? Yeah.
Where's that playlist at, bro? Oh, we're making a playlist.
nah, nobody sent music. So
I got you next time. Yeah. I want a little pump. I gotta get Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. What she say? You got next game?
He's like, hey, talk more.
For me?
Me.
Oh, you mic'd up too?
You mic'd up too.
Nice. You the mic up a homie.
Mic'd up, brother. Hey, we got it.
You talk to my mic, I talk to your mic. What's up? My name's Trey.
What's up? My name's
How
Saigon.
you doing?
You know what I'm saying? We're in here.
He about to rap. Go ahead.
All right, hey, yo. Let me hit a
Okay, that's a good rap.
Hey, bro. Talk more, bro. You gotta talk more.
I've been talking to myself this whole time.